am Jamaican. You're making me sick with that accent. This is the Krabby Patty stuff. Okay?
Literally.
Wig! Hi guys!
Hi!
It's Lydia.
And it's Alma.
Welcome back to our amazing channel. Subscribe right now to win $1 billion in pounds. Right now.
Cha-ching.
Oh, you missed the moment.
Cha-ching.
Now you broke it. Oh, maybe next time. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at
Lydia
and Alma. Way! So, this video is about some just quick and easy hacks to save your hair. Because you guys saw when we almost had a meltdown. Our hair was just crumbling.
Done that.
But we can say that it's coming back.
It's finally popping a little bit.
It is coming back. And this is even like after the weather has been tripping. Because you know here in England, we don't get no summer.
No summer.
We just get winter all year round. And then we get like a hot winter, cold winter, hot winter, hot
girl winter.
Ain't nothing hot going on here. Hack number uno. The main thing that has saved us.
Yes,
Lord. Child.
Come on.
I get chills talking about it. I get chills.
Bring it up.
Oh! Bring it up. Whoa! Bring it up. Woo! Bring it up. Now, a good old wig. You ain't gotta spend a lot.
No.
This wig, the hair was like £6 a pack. We used about 2.5. Made the wig ourselves. And
Oh my god.
oh my bad side, I didn't even know. You get a wig. He gets a wig. She gets a wig. Everybody gets a wig. Woo!
Now you know how it feels, dummy. See? Taste your own medicine.
Oh, be quiet. My medicine tastes good. Wigs were so helpful to us because we kept our hair just braided, moisturized,
Protected.
and then in some braids, and it really helped with like our length retention, keeping your ends protected, and yeah, it was just brilliant.
And in this weather, it keeps it moist as well.
Yep. Today it was raining. You think I'm going out like this in my rain for it to shrink?
No, I ain't got time.
No
shrinkage. No.
Just pop the wig on.
Still on fleek.
Hack number
Dos. Uno, dos. Yeah,
yes.
that's the castor oil.
Yay!
This is the Jamaican black castor oil. I love this oil because I am Jamaican. It's
You're making me sick with that accent.
Jamaican me crazy.
What? Girl, shut up.
Keeps your ends very strong. They say to put it on your eyebrows, but that's not doing me any justice, but you know.
Because you're not faithful with it. You do it once a month and you think it's going to sprout.
God dang, can you shut up?
No, I ain't going to tell. I'm going to tell the truth. I'm a truth teller.
Well, I'm faithful to it on my ends. So
it's like it just runs in like, are you feeling weak? I'll protect you. It's like an extra blanket for your hair. After you've done your whole hair routine, you just lightly like put it on before braiding or twisting your hair or something. You don't have to overkill. Just or shake it in your oils that you put on your scalp and stuff, or put it in your shampoo, put it in your conditioner. Just find ways to sneak it in. You will be on your way. Hack numero tres.
The brush, the pricky brush. Oh, that's what it's called.
No, it ain't. But
okay, that's the detangler.
It is a great detangler. Detangle your hair. Gonna make your hair feel good. Gonna get your ends feel straight. Gonna get your hair detangle your hair.
You're getting a little bit carried away. Shut up.
I do it for the fans.
Do it for the band.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the band.
I ain't gonna do it.
Okay, shut up.
I ain't gonna do that either. I'm talking as much as I want. We realized that we did not detangle our hair. Yep, for a long time.
Me.
Combing and detangling are two different things.
Our Afro were very short, and when you detangle your Afro, it gets more bigger.
Right.
Like, duh.
This is how your hair, like, this is my hair. These are the strands. But when it's like tangled up, it's like this.
Yep.
Right? So your hair is like shorter. And we were like, why does our hair look so much shorter, but we don't see that much hair falling out or something? So when we detangled it, it was like back to its length and it was fuller.
It was normal.
And we were like, we don't need Well, stupid.
Well,
yeah.
you stupid.
No.
You call it stupid. Don't include
you
me.
try to correct me first.
Girls?
So you stupid.
My name is Alma, not girls. Prove my point.
Hack numero
4. Maracas como chilo.
No.
Okay.
Appropriator. We always say to use
Aloe vera water. Y'all should know that. This is the secret formula.
This is the Krabby Patty stuff. Okay?
Literally.
This is the stuff Plankton was trying to get. The aloe is what makes the water, okay? And we started using filtered water.
Yeah, that's
you get all the toxins out, and we have really hard water over here. This is a lot softer, filtered, clean, clear water.
Yeah, it keeps your hair more cleaner.
Add some aloe. Aloe is very refreshing and it's strengthening as well, and it's very delicate on the hair.
No, don't start. You love doing that. Behave.
Tip numero
5. I'm gonna speak English because you know it's just a bit complicated when you speak like so many languages.
Yeah, el stupido, el fool, el nonsense. You don't always have to cut your hair. Relax on the scissors.
Snip, snip.
Emphasis on the word light, unless you have some bad split ends and you need a cut.
If that's the case with the split ends, and you gotta chop it up. You gotta do it.
Weird. Oh, get out.
I couldn't wait to do that.
Put that down.
That's a bit of ASMR. I quite like the feeling.
Put that down.
Okay.
When you chop your head off. Boom. Hack number 6. Detox. Ooh, your hormones could be unbalanced. All of this, your whole body is connected. You may need a detox to get rid of toxins because your body is too busy trying to keep your heart pumping, your liver's clean, that it's not even thinking about growing your hair. Dude, you're trying to make sure that you can function. You ain't even thinking about trying to push hair out the scalp. Nobody can understand what the body goes through. Nobody can talk to you. Highly recommend.
Yes, that's nice.
It's Let's Be Vegan. I believe her name is Chantel Gary. She makes herbal fusion blends and they have changed my life, honestly. These are amazing.
It is caffeine free. Leave that caffeine alone. It helps balance hormones, reduces PMS symptoms, regulates menstrual cycle. Lord knows those are painful. Restores energy and iron levels, because you know when you get up it's like supports healthy pregnancy and childbirth.
No, thank you.
Strengthens the reproductive system and boosts immunity. That's sick.
All in one tea. Herbs have traditionally always been a part of our daily lives, but now with this whole Western society stuff, we don't cleanse ourselves enough, so this can really help with hair growth. Tip numero 7. Relax.
Take a chill pill, dude.
I really could use a couple of chill pills. Life is very stressful.
Very.
No matter how old you are.
And when you get stressed, you start receding.
Facts. You have to find ways to reduce your stress. Me, I am a stress pot. I stress all the time. Hello, fellow stressors. But stress really can affect your hair growth and your overall health. Like when I'm stressed or anxious, whatever, it goes straight to my shoulders.
Yes, I have to give her bed massages.
You don't, my mama does. So
Shut up.
It just feels like my shoulders are on fire, and they currently are on fire at this very moment. What I love to do to reduce my stress is music. And
that's exactly what she does upstairs when I'm trying to take her nap.
Love you.
Then everyone
relax.
Relax. Do a bit of yoga. Get a bit of a breather.
Oh please, you don't do no yoga.
I can do a handstand.
Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. We got time. We got enough camera.
Okay,
time.
I'm about to do a cartwheel right now.
Go.
It's so quick. I do lessons.
Yeah, guys, hit her up. Jump her, beat her, whatever. Hit her up. Tip number 8. Be patient. She was more like a natural queen before she came. Who couldn't sleep cause she was too worried if it was growing. Gonna wait a little longer for that growth. She told me her name was Lydia and Alma from YouTube. They said relax when you're waiting for your hair to grow. Just wait a little longer for your fro. No.
bit by that disco bug. We were getting very frustrated. We didn't know what the heck was going on with our hair. We got these tips now to help you.
Tip number
9. Tea bags.
top 10. This is what did it. We used caffeinated tea bags because caffeine helps strengthen the hair. You just have to be careful because if you do it too much, it can thin out your hair. All you do is after you finish like washing your hair with shampoo, before you condition it or after you condition it, it's up to you really. Put some tea bags and some water, a nice big jug, let it cool down, and then pour it over your hair. Leave it for maybe 3 minutes, 5 minutes, don't have to be that long. Cover your hair with a cap. Trust me, your hair will stop shedding.
Yeah, I noticed when I was coming, I was like, oh my god, there's no hair, there's no thick left. Oh.
Tea bags are cheap. Tip number 10. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is good for you. Grapefruit is good. Eat it when you're hungry. Eat it when you're naughty. Eat it when you want to. Up. Clean coated, clean insides, which contributes to hair growth. Now it sounds mad, but if you think about it, you wouldn't give your plant bacon and grease. Delicioso.
It's the only fruit you don't have to ask me to eat.
Then why is it still here? You know what? Alma. No. Every time she sees me eating one, she's like, is there any more?
She never tells me.
So we're actually gonna make a whole video about this. We're not gonna talk too much about it now, but try it. So we hope you enjoyed our video.
Yes, thank you very much for watching.
Really quick and easy hacks of like when you're panicking and you're like, what's some quick stuff I can do to just get my hair back on track if you've been falling off. And listen, even if you've gone 3 months and you haven't brushed your hair or detangled it, it's okay.
It's okay.
Like our channel, if anything, we want you to know that hair takes up a lot of time off your life.
Yep.
If you don't have time for it at the moment, or you don't feel like making time, that's okay. Comment below what is your hacks, or if there's any you tried after watching this that were helpful. And follow us on Instagram and let us know what you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Keep moving the camera.
Okay.
It's like, but you're not deep cleaning it.
Exactly. And then there's more space.
Subscribe right now to me. But you gotta touch my face.
It's a tip fight.
Did Beyonce and Solange fight?
Did it?